Welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy and today we are going to battle these two guys out. Now these are the ever popular, super famous, no one can live without them makeup removers. I think they're probably like one of the top makeup wipes that people tend to use all the time. It's the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. This is the refill pack. And it retails for, I think I got these in like a 3-pack or something and there was a deal, but they're not exactly cheap. There are 25 pre-moistened towelettes in this pack, and I want to say it ranges around $4 to $5 for this pack. $3 to $4, depending on where you go. I don't have like a Walmart nearby, so I know things tend to be a little cheaper there. But I have found these bad boys. Now these are the Smartly unscented facial cleansing wipes. There are 30 in this pack. The size of them are 6.2 inches by 5 inches. And just to let you know, the Neutrogena ones are basically 7 by 7, and these are essentially 6 by 6. So these are a little bit smaller. However, the price difference is ridiculous. These are 99 cents. 99 cents! And quite honestly, these ones I actually had on reserve. I forgot that I had them. I picked these up in the store because I was curious. For 99 cents, how could you not try them? These are exclusively at Target. By the way, it's this whole brand that they have that they do basically like beauty and home kind of stuff. So there's soaps, lotions, some of it is unscented, some of it is scented. It's a really cute lineup that they have, and everything is simple and straightforward, which I kind of like, and the prices are reasonable. Now this is considered clean by Target standards, so I believe it's paraben, sulfate free. I have notes on this somewhere and I'm gonna go get them. Okay, so I got my notes. Sorry about that. Let's see. It's fragrance, paraben, and phthalate free, and there's no sodium lauryl sulfate. Their line that's available at Target is they have personal care, skincare, bath and body, cleansing and lotion, trash, basically personal and household stuff, and the prices are fantastic. And this is the nice sweaty mess that I have for you. It was 100 degrees today. I am upstairs. I have no AC, and you know, usually indoors, upstairs tends to get hotter as the day goes on. It is the end of my work day, so I am looking something special, I imagine. And I'm sorry, I do have my glasses on and you can see ring lights and stuff, but the glasses are going to come off in just a second because we are going to put these two wipes in head-to-head combat. Now what I have on my face today, wow, I didn't even realize I have a no lip product on. Should we put some on just for funsies? I don't know. Let's put some on real quick. Okay, we've got some color on. Don't know if that helps the situation or not, but it is the NARS Dance Fever Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So back to my full face of makeup. I've got the Damn Girl mascara on. I've got eyeliner, eyeshadow primer. I've got foundation on, and it is so hot. You could probably see this sweat kind of like dripping down my nose. So I'm going to go ahead and actually dive into this now. So glasses off, nice little marks from my glasses, so yay, we get to enjoy those. But this is the Smartly pack, and I like that there's no fragrance, and quite honestly, I have been using these. I think they're extremely comparable to the Neutrogena ones, aside from the fact that they're a little bit smaller. I really don't see that much of a difference, but it's been a while since I've used the Neutrogena ones, so I'm glad I'm kind of doing this on a side to side, because to me these Smartly 99-cent ones are absolutely amazing, and there's no reason for me to ever buy the Neutrogena ones ever again. But let's put it to the test. So here is the Smartly wipe. This is the size of it, and we're gonna go ahead and use this one wipe on this side of my face. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the first pass. I've also got brow mascara on. So there's that. And I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward us through the rest of this side of my face. Okay, so here is one half of my face. All of the makeup came off. I was not scrubbing, I was not pressing hard. I mean, you probably saw me doing this, but I was not applying a whole lot of pressure. I was being very gentle with my eyelashes and my eye area, and it completely removed everything without a problem. Like, and I can attest to the fact that I have been using these, like I said, to do my whole face. I would most likely use 2 of these just to get like that extra super clean feeling, and I truly wanted to be lazy, but you could essentially do your whole face with one, and then, you know, if you had time to just do a quick wash with regular cleanser. But let's go ahead and crack open the Neutrogena wipe. Here is the Neutrogena Towelette. So here is the full size, and of course I'm going to show you this nice dirty one, but here you can see the size difference. So that's how you can kind of just know what you're getting yourself into. And let us go ahead and get, oh, you know what, I didn't do, obviously this is fresh lipstick, so it's gonna come off quite easily, but there. The official full half of the face is done. So let's go ahead and get this guy going. So this one is lightly fragranced. It is a little bit softer in touch. Like the fabric itself is a little bit softer than the Smartly one, but quite honestly, it's not that big of a difference. All right, I'll go ahead and speed you up through this part, okay? Okay, and I'm done. So, 2 things to make note of, and I don't think they're deal breakers considering the price, is the Neutrogena wipe. Here is one half of my face, and here is the other half of my face. So obviously this one has more real estate. So you can cleanse more of your face with one wipe than you can with this one. However, considering the price difference, we've got 30, how many wipes do we have in here? We have 30 in the 99-cent pack versus 25. So quite honestly, these I think are a game changer. I don't think they're rough by any means. I think they're very similar in texture, like the wipe itself, and they're cheaper. So why wouldn't you? So in that sense, you know, to spend X amount of dollars on the Neutrogena ones, yes, they smell a little, they're a little fragranced, they're a little bit bigger, they cleansed my face a little bit faster. I'm gonna be honest, I think cleansing my eye took like 1/3 of the time that it did with the Smartly wipe, but that's not a big deal to me. I'm okay with that. So if you are looking for a very conveniently priced makeup remover, 99 cents, and by the way, I think I've had these for probably about 2 weeks now. They don't show any signs of drying out either, so I'm pretty impressed by the whole situation. 99 cents at Target. I think you guys definitely need to try it out. It's worth it. It's totally worth it. You can save some money. You get more. You can't go wrong. So that is my thought on these two wipes. We've got the Smartly wipe and product line officially at Target, and we've got the traditional Neutrogena face wipes. But quite honestly, if you're an occasional user of them and you just want to have them on standby for special occasions, get the 99-cent ones. There's no reason to spend this much money. They're nice, yeah, but you don't need to spend that much money. And FYI, just a little tip to make sure that these last even longer, I would store them in a, you can store them in a small Tupperware or a Ziploc bag to keep the moisture in. And even if for some reason you completely forget to close the pack, you leave them out and the towelettes dry out, the product that cleanses your skin is still in there. All you have to do is run the wipe under some water and go to cleaning your face. So if you have a pack of dried out towelettes that you have not used, just add more water and you've got your face wipes again. So anyways, that's going to do it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. If not, leave a question, give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful, because honestly, like everybody else on the internet says, any type of engagement counts. So if you just type a smiley face, if you do a thumbs up, it helps me. I'm teeny tiny. I don't know if this channel is going anywhere, but I sure like to provide fun information for you guys to help you spend your money smarter. So that's going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and let you go. I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are, and I hope to see you back here again soon, okay? Bye!